What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I like cool pens that are affordable, so I want to check this out. Hey, I just picked this up. I found it. I actually picked up a few of these. They're called REFYNE EP1 pens, and they come in this little tube here. It kind of looks like a cosmetics tube. Just going to open it up. And inside, we have the pen itself. Now, I love pens. Obviously, despite the fact that we're in a digital age, you can't get away without writing things down. Refyne.com. Thank you. You're welcome. And here is the pen itself. And what I really like about this and what makes them interesting is that they are pretty unique in their look. Now, I will say this is an aluminum construction, so it's pretty light, but it has pretty nice heft to it. You can see we have kind of a rounded tip there. And the most interesting thing here is what we call like a rifle bolt action. So you can see it looks like it's actually a copper tube inside, and you have this little knob there, and you can push it down and it will go into the slot, and then to push it back, it'll go back up here and be higher. We also have a metal clip here, and as you might be able to see, it's pretty nice. It's got a like a laser cut line and logo on the top, and then you can see Refyne emblazoned on the bottom. So if I push down the bolt there, now we get the pen. And if I just do a little writing test here, see how it works. Peter! Look at that. That writes nice. This is a ballpoint action. The top unscrews here. So what we have is a spring. And, ooh, looks like it says Schmidt, but I believe this is like a Parker style refill. So you should be able to find these anywhere. And what's really cool about this refill is that these are pretty large and they have a pretty nice ink capacity. But you can see here that the pen is not much larger than the refill itself. So this is going to be very space efficient, and you aren't going to be carrying around a lot of pen or any more pen than you actually need. So this is perfect for little pad folios and things like that because the pen is nice and efficient. This piece though is really awesome, and they're almost a little bit like fidget spinners because you can kind of do this all day long. They feel really satisfying to use these bolts here. This one's in black and it is absolutely beautiful. It writes great. Hey, if you want to pick up a Refyne pen like this, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.